I'm going to show you two ways to put the lid on the Brightroom 11-gallon slim step-on trash can. The first method is theoretical, as in it didn't work for me. The second method is how I did it. Before we dive into the methods, let's take a look at the mechanics to help us know how to position the pieces. On the back of the trash can, you will see two hinges. On the lid, you will see two C-shaped hooks, which means if we put them at a 90-degree angle like so, and you push the lid onto the trash can with force, it should click in place. The C shape and the hinge. Push with force and it should click in place. This is method 1. However, if you like me, who struggles to even open up a can, then try method 2. Now that we know the mechanics, we know how to position the pieces. We can put the lid on the floor like so, and then apply force here until the notches click. Unfortunately, I was blocking the camera, but I do want you to hear the click sound. So here it goes. Which method works for you?